All right, but Panasonic.
Chazur, look at that. We had collectibles by Amadas today with a grudge match. If you watch like a previous video, these niggas is talking shit. So now we have Malik playing his unknown deck because he don't want to give niggas resources. And introduce yourself, Hurricane.
Hurricane.
That's it. Fuck you, nigga.
We got Hurricane on the side.
And this nigga definitely 93 recording.
We got Amada the Army recording right here.
Amada. I can't break dance. Can't remember.
And what's your name, sir?
You rolled higher right there. It's your boy Malik, aka Shakes the Clown. You already know, man.
You already know. Even though
Nobody knows.
All right. First.
let's see what you playing. Let's see what you playing. Oh, you set cards.
He's playing Vanguard. He thinks he's playing Vanguard.
Fuck that.
Who the fuck you think you are? Anime nigga?
He broke it. That's just like I told him. Yeah, that's right. Horn hit grave.
This nigga said 6
That's
back,
game.
bro.
That's game.
That's good game, though.
It's
It's good game.
Inzektors against set cards is not.
Sure. Don't worry about it, nigga. Don't worry about
Shut
it.
up. I know what I'm doing.
Don't worry about it. We still about to get.
What bastard gonna back him if I start this massive attacking?
That was Lauren, folks.
That nigga's trying to show me doing right. It's all good. It's all good.
No, he didn't get the reference.
He didn't get the reference now.
He didn't get the reference to that.
I know exactly
Get
what
him.
he is. He's gay.
Cap to his chest like the national anthem.
Well, there it is.
If that's Morphin Draw, nigga. Okay, by that weird laugh, it's Morphin Draw. Attack?
Oh.
One more, top three.
Oh.
That's good. Ladybug, Centipede, and
Nothing.
Oh, he played Ninja Inzektors.
I can't help it.
He played Ninja
330
Inzektors.
I can't. He milked
Walmart.
Hornet and
Ladybug.
Winner, folks.
What happened?
If only I had soul release in my hand, then we would have.
Yo, what if he heavy storms right now?
If he heavy storms, like you get like 3 searches, special
Word.
summon.
Heavy Storm would be stupid.
Marco?
That's just as bad.
You making this hand so funny. He said again, yo.
Oh, that's game. Oh, don't worry about it.
Can you tell me what it does?
It sets him, and then they get flip faced up, and you draw for
I
each
draw
monster that
cards,
was
right?
revealed. Yes.
As long as I draw cards.
As I said, that says draw cards is broken, yo.
That's fine.
Here, run in, then run appropriate.
Defense.
Is it defense?
Oh, he left in the sector on the field. Oh man. He left in the sector on the field.
You know what he's playing? I don't know what he's playing.
We don't do that though.
He don't got no way to get it over for you.
You don't. Come on.
Come on now.
He's still gonna misplay through it.
Oh!
Yeah.
You did his effect. I book him eclipsed him.
And he can flip.
He can flip him back up.
His bad position changed his turn.
Okay, sure.
Pop.
Oh, sure.
And that was Morphin Draw.
What bastard gonna back him if I start this massive
That was a good
attacking?
game though, y'all. That was nice.
He almost misplay. I was about to say something after this.
Oh yeah.
Jigga. What's my motherfucking name? Jigga.
When it was pop, when it go to grade, switch horny.
No, go ahead. Go ahead.
Get Ladybug. You a dead nigga. 2Ks take him out the game like Reg Miller. I'm scratching my arm, you too. I'm so sorry.
It's alright.
Sorry.
Game. Why you even going in the action deck? It's over. What's happening?
Stick a fork in him.
We don't have a victory. We don't have a victory yet.
Get him.
We all realistic here.
Oh.
He's been at it. Come on, guy. Come on, dude. I already know what you're doing too. I can see it. Come on, man.
Oh.
Come on, man. Damn it.
Come on, man. You don't have to do that. Have mercy.
If he got
Have mercy, yup.
Of this one?
Come on, have mercy, dude.
Beach on effect?
Come on, guy. Come on.
Ladybug?
Oh, Jesus. Oh, God.
Centipede?
Sure.
5.
Sure.
Make Leviathan 5, yo.
You can't bumble.
I know.
Whoa. How both of them are 5?
Hmm?
How both of them are 5?
I said beach on 5. I pointed at beach on.
Oh. Bet, nigga, bet. I'm making sure you're not cheating.
I apologize.
I'm making sure you are.
Why would I need to cheat though?
cards. I don't know. Dude, it's been game like 8 years ago.
Just pick anything.
Word. Let's go.
Let's go for McQuaid Bandanier.
Oh,
What are you doing?
5-star.
I thought it was 5.
Empty jaw. He got them scared.
This is 5. I put it at this.
Oh.
Nah, he make Dragon 5-5.
That's what you doing?
With a 2 and a 3.
2 and 3.
80 bucks making 3.
He's broken, yo.
Damn,
Come on,
damn.
guys.
Dude.
He had game without the exceeds, man.
Fuck it. I have to make sure I got it.
It's over.
Yeah, man.
My nigga.
We don't got it yet.
He don't got it, yeah.
My nigga.
Oh, yeah.
We already know.
Crows and fucking faders, nigga.
So scared.
Can you attack? We already at, yo, you tell me going on for 3 minutes.
Yo, he got like half
We got
niggas.
5 minutes.
If this was Death Pro, the timer would have
Niggas
went
is
off.
halfway overlaid. Come on, dude.
My nigga, if this was Death
Go!
Pro, the timer would have went off.
My dude, it's Inzektors. We mad simple.
Just some dickheads.
Someone's actually going.
16?
Scarecrow.
It's fine. Go.
That's Scarecrow?
It's a proxy for a Scarecrow.
Oh, I was gonna say.
That nigga just made that up, yo.
This nigga's real. He runs Troop Dragon.
Let me go bye-bye, nigga. He has 2 cards on the field. Nothing in hand. Can we go to sleep now, please?
Can I read this effect list if you don't mind?
Oh, yeah.
I'm sweating here standing, son.
Sure.
You sweating.
You look like a pregnant lady, nigga. The way that you said it.
Can't stand
Oh, that was a bad
That was a
pop.
bad fail.
That was a bad
That
pop.
was a bad play.
He couldn't special. Oh, man.
I didn't know him yet.
Yeah, I need a
It's coming
calculator.
Oh,
in.
my bad. My bad. My bad. My bad.
Oh. My nigga. My nigga. Hanzo.
Not OT though.
Those 2 ones in the grave.
And he searches anything with ninja in his name. Should be
Nigga, Summer
banned.
Cowboys.
Melton, what he took?
Huh?
What did he take?
I don't know. A lot. He took.
16, 25,
Yeah, that's
18.
it.
Damn,
Your
that's
turn.
scary.
No, matter of fact, not even. Proxy for a quick booster.
Nigga making up proxy, yo. I swear to God. Niggas are set. Wait. I need quick boosters. Yo. Niggas are serious.
Quick booster searches from your deck. Does
Nah,
it
quick
return
boosters
to
doesn't
your
do
deck?
that. Quick booster has to be
boost- no,
destroyed.
quick-
It has to be destroyed.
No, no, no.
I can
He has
read
to-
the
no,
card.
no, no.
I can read you the card.
They got
It
Yu-Gi-Oh
returns
prices.
2 from your
If it's
deck.
destroyed
Main
face
deck.
down.
No. Quick booster says if I activate it, I get to search for a quick play spell from my deck to my hand.
I think it has to be
No,
popped.
when it's destroyed,
No.
you
He has
search.
2 effects.
No, he has Yu-Gi-Oh
I can
prices.
read
on.
the
He
card.
has the card. Actually, he has the
Quick
card.
booster. Target 1 quick play spell in your graveyard.
graveyard,
Except
return it
quick
to your
booster.
deck.
Shuffle
Okay,
that target
from
to
the
your
graveyard.
deck.
Even better,
If
even
this
better.
card is controlled, is destroyed by your opponent's card effect, and sent to the graveyard, you can add 1 quick play spell from your deck
Okay,
to your
so I
hand.
gotta
Except
deal
quick
with
booster.
You return it to your deck.
no.
not to your hand.
I'm setting it. So when I'm
You return it to your deck. You don't
Not
get
to
it
your
your
hand.
Back to the deck?
Yeah.
Deck.
Okay.
Ouch, man.
I didn't know you could set cards from your deck.
Ow.
This ain't 5 fists.
Yeah, word.
5 man. Where's the
Everything?
Versus coming out like 6 days.
Game 1. Hurricane.
Let's go, nigga.
There's 2 of them.
They took for game 2.